I'm Michael Bancroft. I'm the Communications Manager at Greenacres Caravan Park. We're a holiday site based in Prestatyn, North Wales. We have 300 caravans on this site here. We also own the neighbouring site, Sunny Sands, next door. There's 60 caravans on that site as well. We have a swimming pool with a health spa. We also have a club and a pub for members and use and for the people on site. With the economic downturn, people tend to view caravans as luxury items, so we have to do all we can to bring people to the park. Obviously offering Wi-Fi in this case is a great reason. The internet was incredibly slow. We had a line with another third-party company beforehand. We decided to change within a week. We had an engineer come out who fitted the Fibre modem, and a few days later we changed over to the new service, faultless. We've gone from, I think, 3.5 megabytes to approximately 54 megabytes, so it's made a hell of a difference to us. Children these days either have an iPad or an Android device or a smartphone, so there's demand for Wi-Fi, something we haven't been able to do in the past. Obviously with the connection we had, 300 people trying to use a 3 megabyte connection, you struggle to search something in Google. On site today with our electricians coming to fit our Wi-Fi access points to the poles. It's the first stage of our rollout procedure. It's going to give people the access to walk around the park, sat in the caravans, downloading things, whether it be emails. People can work from the caravan now if they so wish to. We see an awful lot more inquiries now from people online, whether they're coming to purchase a van or just look to stay here. We can send huge files, would be 10 photos of each caravan for sale. We can send those rapidly, whereas before we were waiting hours for them to receive them. We've also got a contact form on the website, and the emails come straight through to us now, so we can bring people back. I definitely recommend fibre optic broadband to people. It's a great thing and everyone should invest.